Hello, good afternoon, ka-nature lover. I'm your host, sandara Roon. Yes, nature lover, I want to show you the another varieties of orchids. So, here in the Philippines, there are plenty of orchids. So, that's why I give you name and meaning. And also the species of what kind of orchid is this. So, let's go. I will present to you. Start number 1. Species Dendromium ophyllum, or common names hooded orchid. A hooded orchid is an orchid found in most collections. It is also known as the hooded orchid because of the cone-shaped leaf of the bloom. It is lovely and readily cultivated. Second species is Papilionate bandarum. Papilionate bandarum is a species of epiphytic orchid native to India, China, Myanmar, and Nepal. Is closely related to Papilionate biswashiana. Next species is Dendromium bigibbum, common name Cocktown orchids. Dendromium bigibbum, commonly known as the Cocktown orchid or movie butterfly orchid, is an epiphytic or lithophytic orchid in the family Orchidaceae. Fourth species is another variety of Dendromium bigibbum. It has cylindrical pseudobulbs, each which between 3 to 5 green or purplish leaves and arching flowering stems with off. Next species, Dendromium victoriae, reginae, genus Dendrobium, family Orchidaceae. Common names Queen Victoria Dendrobium. Next species is Dendromium ophyllum, genus Dendromium, family Orchidaceae. Common names hooded orchid. Next species is Rhynchostylis gigantea. It is a species of orchid. This species was first described in 1896 by John Landley and is native to Borneo, Myanmar, and etc. Next species is Vanda limbata, genus Vanda, and family Orchidaceae. Vanda limbata is a species of orchids native to Java, the Lesser Sunda Islands, and the Philippines. Next species is Sylvidium divonianum, genus Sylvidium, family Orchidaceae. Very beautiful also, variety of orchids. Next species is Cattleya briefitoncolata, genus Cattleya, family Orchidaceae. Very nice. Beautiful orchids. Next species is Eriaxis rhida, monotypic genus of orchids belong to the subfamily Vanillidae. The sole species is Eriaxis rigida, endemic to the New Caledonia. Next species is Vanda coralescens, also known as the sky blue vanda, is a species of monopodial orchid native to Assam and Arunachal Pradesh and etc. Next species is Dendromium victoriae regina, family Orchidaceae and genus Dendromium. Common names Queen Victoria's Dendrobium. Next species is Dendromium novile, The cane orchid is one of the biggest of orchid growths with nearly 2,000 species local to Southeast Asia that plants and grow. Next species is Passipodium decariae, is a flowering plant and a member of the family Apocynaceae. Next species is Oncidium baueri. It is a species of orchid native to Costa Rica and South America as far south as Bolivia and Brazil. Next species is Dendromium begivum, genus Dendromium, family Orchidaceae. A very beautiful light pink orchid. Next species is Dendromium vegibum. Wow, this is a very beautiful combinations of purple flesh and white. So very nice orchids. Next species is Eridis adorata. It's a species of lawn and the Orchidaceae. It is a widespread across much of Southeast Asia, found in the lowland forests and China, Himalaya, Philippines, etc. Next species is Dendrobium chrominatum, commonly called pigeon orchid, or is an epiphytic orchid in the family Orchidaceae, and is native to Asia, South Asia, and New Guinea, and etc. Next species is Dendrobium victoriae regionae. Very beautiful purple color.